This is Jorge. Have you ever wondered how muscle contractions happen? Well, it all starts when your brain sends a signal along your motor neurons.
The motor neuron contains vesicles that have acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter, in them. When the neurotransmitters are released into the neuromuscular junction, they bind to receptors located on the muscular sarcolemma. This triggers an impulse which then travels down the membrane to the transverse tubules. Then the sarcoplasmic reticulum then releases calcium ions. The calcium ion then binds with tropin, which is located on the thin filament. When they bind together, it causes the tropomyosin to move, revealing bonding sites.
The myosin heads are then able to bind with actin, which forms a cross bridge. Energy from ATP is used to cause a contraction, which is the movement of the thin filament inward. Sadly, Jorge passed on.
When a person dies, this process is different and called rigor mortis, the stiffening of joints and muscles a few hours after death. The muscle cells no longer have oxygen, so they can't produce ATP. Without ATP, the myosin and actin filaments cannot be released from the contracted state because the calcium ions can't be pumped back out of the cell. When the muscle is unable to release the contraction, the muscles in the body stay tense, ultimately causing rigor mortis.